Here's a couple vocabulary words on parallel and perpendicular lines. To have parallel lines, you must have lines that have equal or the same slope. So if I construct a line that looks like this, for it to be parallel, it would not intersect that line. So if I say this slope is 2, then this other slope in the blue line must also be 2. Another example would be like 1/2. The slope of the line is 1/2, then its other line that is parallel to it must also be 1/2. The second definition on this slide is perpendicular lines. If I have a line that looks like this and another line that is perpendicular, it must form a right angle when they join. Remember, right angles are 90 degrees. Their slopes are opposite reciprocals. So if I say I have a slope of a positive 1/2, its other slope must be the reciprocal. So reciprocate is take that 1/2 and flip it to 2/1. And then it'll be an opposite sign, so it'll be a negative 2/1. Here's an example 1. Are the following skateboarders parallel or perpendicular? So just ask yourself a quick question. If you answered parallel, you are correct. This line has the same slope as this one, so they are parallel. The next example, number 2, which ones are parallel? So I'm going to put these ones in red. Well, one example for parallel is 3/9 and 1/3. I can reduce 3/9 to 1/3. So now those two are parallel. For perpendicular, let's put those in blue. Remember, those are opposite reciprocals. So one parallel perpendicular line is 4/1, and then -1/4. So these two are perpendicular. Another one is -2/5 and 5/2. Those are considered perpendicular. This slide in the textbook is really nice. It just goes through and explains a picture of what an equation looks like if it's parallel or if it's perpendicular. So this top half has a line in the red with an equation y equals 2x plus 1. Notice the slope is 2. The bottom equation has a line that looks like this when it's graphed out. Its slope is also 2. So since both slopes are the same, they are considered parallel lines. This bottom graph has 2 lines, but now they're perpendicular. We have a red line, and its slope is -3/2. This blue line, when it's graphed out, has a slope of 2/3. Since they are reciprocals and opposite signs, we have -3/2 and 2/3, and they are opposite reciprocals. They are considered perpendicular. I think we'll save this for the next video.